Today's lesson will help students recognize that a universe made from chaos and random chance is very unlikely. It is completely reasonable that an ordinary universe was created by God. Have students find the letters that spell creation from a Scrabble board or something similar. The letters can be printed on pieces of cardboard squares. Have them shake the letters to mix them up and then lightly scatter them across a table. Turn over any squares that are flipped in order to see the letters. Start with the letters furthest from the left and write the combinations of letters that randomly appear. Repeat this several times and see if any of your random pitches result in the word creation. If you include the probability that the letters would randomly line up in a straight line, the odds become nearly impossible. What do you think the possibilities that the universe, the Earth, and everything in the Earth is a result of random events?